subscribe, share, and like to your friends. Face indoors. Okay, order na yun. Mga kalis, eating, dinner tayo. Okay, tingnan natin ang order natin. Okay, Denny's, guinea. Okay, this is a brief history of Denny's. Since 1957, Denny's has been America's diner, welcoming guests from coast to coast with warm hospitality and a promise of comfort food served 24/7. Whether in the mood for breakfast, favorite, satisfying lunch, or hearty dinner, our menu is designed to satisfy your tastes. Okay, so Denny's has been around since 1953. Okay, so this is a U.S. franchise. So this is the goods. This is their all-day breakfast. All-day breakfast. What's their combo meal? Yeah, right. Dinner bundles. Wow. It's American price. American price. It's American. It's American price. This one ako, holiday with Denny's. Ito yung mga meals nila. They have their rice meals. Weekly package. This is their locations. Locations ng Denny's. Pancake and waffles. This is their pancake and waffles. Baked wings. Nachos. Circle 4. And we have a salad. Ayan, salad for mommy. Salad na lang tayo. Ayan. Salad na lang. And then they have... Oh, look at this. Look at this snack. Country style classics. What's that? Parang Filipino breakfast. Ayan. Country style classics. Breakfast for two. Home plate. Pork belly crunch, danggit, and garlic. Adobo. Dami silang local meals na ginawa, no? Parang local meals na. Hindi na siya American. Casino. Breakfast. This is all day breakfast. Okay. Omelets. Ultimate sandwich experience. Oh, they have burgers. I tried their burger. Sandwiches. Okay, sandwiches. Cheeseburger. Supreme bacon cheeseburger. Okay. Pork belly crunch. Classics. Strip loin, pork chop. Yep, so much menu. We have a lot of menu. New York Salisbury. Pasta. Dami lang menu. Grabe. So many menu. This is their dessert cakes. And then kids dinner. Spaghetti. sensation. Desserts and then shakes. Shakes. Okay, and then the waffle. Okay, that's it. That's the menu for Denny's. 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 This is Denny's. Okay, here's our Caesar salad for mommy. And then my blue coffee. Okay, so our initial order. Denny's. Okay, good evening mga amis. Kain tayo. And salad. So salad. Some good Caesar salad. First bite. First bite. First bite. Okay, this is, what's my order na? Order ko. Si Janina ito, order. Wala naman yung ano. No water. Oops. Yung order ni Janina. This is, what is your order?
Order ko.
Waffles
It's
and
called chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders and waffles. That's it. Okay, let's eat and see if it's good. This is what we eat. Sweet pork. It's egg. Okay. Ito kakainin. Ano color? Chicken tenders. Chicken tenders. Stop. Stop yung chicken. Stop yung chicken. Okay. Kain mo na kami. Hi Jessie. Pakain. Hindi nga isipin. What is the taste of the chicken tenders?
It tastes like normal chicken.
It's like normal chicken. Ito masarap yun, ano? Wedding.
Same lang.
Yung salad. Anong taste ng salad niya? Okay, bill tayo. Total is 1,023.93 cents. Okay, not bad. Paid. Knock. Okay, mga kabis, ito yung Denny's. Okay, so ang ano ko dyan, comment ko sa ordinary food lang. So, American comfort food. Nothing special. So, For my review, it's 4 stars. Ready? Okay? Mga hobbies, enjoy life, start a hobby, be a hobby. And lang tandaan, subscribe, share, like kapag dami ng TV. Okay? Tonight na from Denny's, Eastwood. Subscribe, share, and like to your friends.